what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily delete Monzo transaction. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here's how you can easily delete transaction on Monzo app. So in the Monzo app, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then in the bottom right corner of the screen, you should be able to see payments icon. Just click on it. So you will be redirected to this page where you can easily see your list of contacts and payment transactions. Just click on any payment that you want to delete, and in the top right corner of your screen, just click on Edit. And once again, at the top right corner of your screen, you will see a three dot icon. Just click on it and the Delete and Merge option will show up. Just choose Delete. And from there, the specific payment transaction will then be deleted. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!